Hi guys. Right now you should be on page 34 of your student workbook. On page 34 of your student workbook, you can see there are 3 flasks drawn and they have like a blowout bubble for you to fill in with what you think air inside the flask would look like. I'd like you to label the flask at the top, air in a sealed flask. Then in the middle, label that flask flask after air is removed. And finally, at the bottom of your page, flask after air is added. Once you have your flasks labeled in your student workbook, you will be drawing what you can imagine air looks like in each of those flasks. I'm going to do a little demonstration to help you visualize what might be happening inside a flask as air is added and then taken away. In this first video, you can see that I have hooked up to a flask that is sealed. This is a sealed flask. It's got a rubber cork on top. There is a rubber tubing connected to a hand pump, and the hand pump is connected to a pressure gauge. That pressure gauge shows what happens inside the flask. The pressure will increase and decrease as air is added and air is taken away. But notice when I look at the flask, it appears to be empty because we can't see air.